Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset TP-Link router easy guide step by step clearly. To reset your TP-Link router, start by locating the device. Ensure it is plugged in and powered on. Look for the reset button on the back or bottom of the router. This button is usually small and may require a pin or paper clip to press. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. You will notice the lights on the router flicker or change during this process. Once the lights return to their normal state, release the button. Your TP-Link router is now reset to factory settings. You'll need to reconfigure your network settings. Connect your computer or device to the router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Open a web browser and type the default IP address for TP-Link routers, which is usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Press Enter on your keyboard. You should see the login page for the router. Enter the default username and password, typically both are admin. Click on the login button to access the router's settings. Now, you can set up your Wi-Fi name and password. Your TP-Link router is now fully reset and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.